Today, we're making a fresh batch of our healthy homemade juice, which is composed of cucumber, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, honey, and calamansi extract. This is a regular thing that we do. We always have this in the fridge. We'll start by boiling the lemongrass. We'll tie it in a bundle so it won't get messy in the pot. We'll also need ginger and garlic. When boiled together, lemongrass, ginger, and garlic create a powerful health tonic. Lemongrass is known to calm the body, aid digestion, improve circulation, and help balance blood pressure. Ginger adds strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, soothing the stomach, boosting immunity, and supporting healthy blood flow. Garlic, on the other hand, is famous for protecting the heart, lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, and strengthening the immune system with its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Combined, these three ingredients work in harmony to detox the body, fight infections, improve digestion, and promote overall wellness. For these three ingredients, it'll be up to you how much you are going to use. Just remember though, the more you use, the stronger taste you will get. For us, we'd use at least 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a knob or 2 of ginger. There is no need to mash or pound the garlic and ginger. Remember, if you cut them small, it'll get messy in the pot, which will make the later step much more difficult. Just peel off and remove the skin from the garlic and ginger, place them in the pot with the lemongrass, and you are good. We'll be adding at least 2 to 3 cups of water. Don't add more if you are only using a few ingredients, as more water means you would dilute the extract too much. I know, I am not using a measurement cup here. Perhaps I just got used to doing this month over month. We'll have it on medium-low heat until it boils. When it does start to boil, wait for the water to turn a dark golden brown, which means you have extracted the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic, which by then, you can turn the heat off and let this cool to room temp. Now, we'll prepare our slow juicer. This is what we'll use to extract the cucumbers. I also got empty water bottles here. These are 2-liter distilled drinking water bottles, which we will use to combine the extracts and store the juice. The opening of the juicer is somewhat small. So, we'll need to cut the cucumber into smaller lengthwise slices to fit the opening. Do this for all the cucumbers you are going to use. The more cucumbers, the more extract you will get. For us here, I think we used up around 8 large cucumber pieces. Once you've filled the juicer's cup, you can now transfer the cucumber extract to your empty water bottles. The extract still contains bits and pieces of the cucumber, so I used a strainer here to filter those out. The mouth of the water bottles are also too small, so we used a funnel. A pro tip here: do not throw the extracted cucumber or cucumber pulp. They are so good at it becoming fertilizer. I usually throw them at the bottom of our mango tree, and it seems to love it as it's growing fast with great-looking leaves. I also made sure to equally divide the cucumber extract here to the 2 water bottles I prepared. We're at least 40% done here. We'll just wait for the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic we boiled to cool down to room temperature. For now, we'll place the cucumber extract in the fridge. The lemongrass, ginger, and garlic we boiled are now at room temperature. As you would see here, we get a nice dark, somewhat golden liquid. We'll take out the cucumber extract we stored in the fridge. We'll use a funnel to pour this into the bottles and combine the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic extract with it. At this point in time, I was already thinking of the next step, which is to add the calamansi extract. But then, I recalled, we ran out of it, so we'll pop these back into the fridge. I need to do a quick grocery run to buy a bottle. It's the next day. I finally got the calamansi extract. We'll take the water bottles out of the fridge and add some of this calamansi and honey concentrate extract. This is common in our grocery or supermarket. If you do not have this, lemon and honey will definitely still do the trick. This concentrated extract just makes it a tad easier for us. add much, as again, based on the label, this is a concentrate, so it tends to be a bit too much if you add many. At least half a cup will do for each bottle. We have our cucumber, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, calamansi, extract, and honey combined. We still have a lot of room in our water bottles, and we will be filling these to the full with water. It's okay to also not add water. The taste would just be stronger as you have all pure extracts. We find that adding water gives it a bit more neutral taste, as cucumber tends to give off this grassy kind of taste. The water helps tone it down. Blended together, cucumber, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, calamansi, and honey create more than just a refreshing drink. It's a natural powerhouse that hydrates the body, supports digestion, strengthens the immune system, improves circulation, and helps detoxify from within. Every sip brings the combined benefits of hydration, antioxidants, and natural healing properties, leaving you feeling refreshed, energized, and nourished. Remember, this is not medical advice. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before using natural remedies for specific health conditions. If you find this video useful, I would highly appreciate a like, a comment, and a subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. Share this, too, with someone who could use a refreshing drink. By the way, this is best consumed cold.